Okay, good. Yes, Matt Class and TMA BlueTech here at the Sea Japan Trade Show, and we are, part of our pavilion is with RCAM Technologies. Mason Bell is representing, and he's going to tell us about what makes his technology awesome.
Hi there, my name is Mason Bell. RCAM Technologies' mission is to pioneer the next generation of clean energy through automated construction. We're doing this by adapting 3D concrete printing technologies, like what you see behind me, to manufacture a portfolio of renewable energy products. This includes anchors, foundations, and energy storage devices for a variety of markets, including offshore wind, offshore solar, wave energy, all of these awesome blue economy renewable energy applications. What's special about 3D concrete printing is it allows us to use local materials, a local workforce, and the same machine to manufacture the entire portfolio of products. And so we're really excited to be here in Japan and highlighting our technology and speaking and interacting with the community.
Yeah, you said at one of your presentations that some of your technology actually could be used to help facilitate wildlife growth or something along those lines. Tell us a little bit about that.
Yeah. You can see behind me on the banner here, we can integrate artificial coral reefs, textures, materials, and geometries which encourage marine biodiversity, actually restoring and fostering this. Rather than working and harming against the environment, we can work with it and be nature inclusive.
Excellent, man. Thank you so much. Good luck at the show.
Thank you.
Cheers.